A while ago, I did an informal poll in the American Herbalist Guild Facebook group, asking which part of the cottonwood tree people use the most often. Of the people responding, all of them use the buds, while a few people said that they also use the bark and the leaves. So while herbalists are using various parts of the cottonwood, by far the most commonly worked with part is the buds. Here are some specific ways that herbalists commonly work with cottonwood buds. Cottonwood bud oil can be massaged into sore muscles and joints to relieve many aches and pains, such as sore or strained muscles, rheumatic pains, and pains from injuries like bruises. Cottonwood buds are high in a variety of constituents that can directly relieve pain and also modulate inflammation. I'll share how to make cottonwood bud oil in just a bit. In addition to modulating inflammation and decreasing pain, cottonwood is also strongly antimicrobial. This makes it a fabulous heal-all type of remedy for topical use on a variety of conditions like wounds, rashes, and bug bites. I rarely make an herbal salve that doesn't have some cottonwood in it because it's so universally helpful. But there's also another reason I like to include it. One year, I was cleaning out a box of old salves when I found the very first cottonwood salve I'd ever made. At the time, it was at least 6 years old. Every other salve that was in that box from the same time period had gone rancid, but the cottonwood salve smelled as divine as the day I made it. I learned 2 things from this experience. The first, make less salve so I don't end up throwing the excess away. And secondly, cottonwood is an amazing preservative. Since then, I've included cottonwood oil or cottonwood tincture into most of my salves and creams. While I mostly use cottonwood topically, cottonwood is also great as internal medicine. Herbalist Michael Moore wrote a lot about cottonwood medicine. He recommended a tincture of the buds as an excellent expectorant for thick, intractable mucus from bronchitis and bronchorrhea, as it has both expectorant aromatics and analgesic salicylates. Moore also recommended the bitter bark as part of an old-fashioned bitters recipe. He wrote in his book Medicinal Plants of the Mountain Rest, "Make an excellent old-fashioned bitters by steeping an ounce of the dried cottonwood bark, 1/4 licorice root, and a teaspoon of cloves in a 1/5 of brandy. After a month, the bitters have matured and can be sipped on for poor appetite, indigestion, and feverishness." And then, in his typical tongue-in-cheek way, he added, "Through no fault of the herbs, excess sipping can lead to undesirable side effects." Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.